Apparently, the cat really loves the carrots we bought home from the grocery store.
Hey, I thought that was for bunnies, not for cats.
He's licking the bag of the carrots we just got from the groceries.
Oh, this is hilarious. How long is this gonna record?
Max? Max? What you doing?
Max? What you doing, Max? I'm over here.
What's this?
It's brought you by